Hey guys, welcome to another 99 Bitcoins video, and today I want to show you how you can buy Bitcoins with a credit card using Cex.io. So this is the website. Basically there's two steps you need to do. The first is deposit money with your credit card, and the second step is to buy the Bitcoins. So for the deposit step, you just go here to deposit, and you're going to need to add your new card. You can see here you have payment methods in order to deposit. You just choose payment card. I have my card here is not verified yet. I can also add a new card. Basically, verification requires you to send some sort of government issue ID and a photo of you actually holding the credit card. And once it's verified, you can deposit money into your account, and you can basically decide here how much you want to deposit on the right side. You see there's a commission of 3.5% and another 25 cents for any amount you'd like to deposit. So for example, if you want to deposit $100, it's going to cost you $103.89. Once you finish this and you've deposited money into your account, you need to go to buy or sell, and you just need to choose the amount of Bitcoins you want to buy. So let's, for example, say I want to buy $80 worth of Bitcoins. I click on buy, and it's going to ask me, you're about to get not less than 0.099 for 80 USD, and this is the exchange rate. And you can see this order will expire in 40 seconds. And I can click confirm order, and that's basically it. So pretty simple. Cex.io does take a higher rate for their transactions due to their ability to accept credit cards, and because of the reason that they are susceptible to fraud because of that way. But other than that, the website's pretty solid, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.